Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Wonders HD. Today we're immersing ourselves in the extraordinary world of the Huawei 360 camera. This compact powerhouse is poised to redefine the way we capture and share our most cherished moments. Join me on this exploration as we delve into the remarkable capabilities, features, and sheer magic that the Huawei 360 camera brings to the table. From its sleek design to dual 13MP cameras, this device is not just a camera. It's a portal to a new era of visual storytelling. We'll unravel the versatility of shooting modes, seamless connectivity, and the compact design that makes it your ideal companion on any adventure. Stay tuned as we navigate the immersive world of the Huawei 360 camera, capturing and sharing experiences in ways you've never imagined. Now let's delve into the heart of the Huawei 360 camera. At its core, this innovative gadget boasts not one, but dual 13-megapixel cameras equipped with remarkable 210-degree wide-angle lenses. What does this mean for your memories? It means a new dimension of clarity and depth. With the power of these lenses, the Huawei 360 camera has the capability to capture breathtaking 360-degree photos in staggering 5K resolution. And that's not all. It's not just about pictures. This versatile device takes your storytelling to the next level by recording immersive 360-degree videos in crystal clear 2K resolution. Whether you're preserving unforgettable moments or diving into creative projects, the Huawei 360 camera is your gateway to a richer, more immersive visual experience. Capturing stunning 360-degree content is just the beginning. The Huawei 360 camera isn't just a lens, it's a storyteller. What's the use of capturing the perfect moment if you can't share it instantly? Here's where the magic happens. With the Huawei 360 camera, sharing your immersive content is as quick and effortless as the capture itself. Seamlessly share your 360-degree photos and videos with friends, family, or your online community in just a few taps. First up, we have the panorama mode. Immerse yourself in vast landscapes and capture every detail around you with a single click. It's like having a wide-angle lens that extends beyond the ordinary. Next, the fishy mode. Warp reality and get an artistic perspective that bends the limits of traditional photography. This mode adds a fun and dynamic twist to your visuals. Now let's talk about the planet mode. Transform your surroundings into a miniature planet, giving a fresh and captivating look to your photos and videos. It's like stepping into your own little world. Last but certainly not least, the VR mode. Dive into the immersive world of virtual reality, allowing you to relive your memories as if you were there again. It's not just a photo or video, it's an experience. With these versatile modes, the Huawei 360 camera empowers you to explore and experiment, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary visual narratives. Now that we've captured your world in stunning 360 degrees, let's talk about the equally captivating viewing experience. The Huawei 360 camera isn't just about creating memories, it's about reliving them in a whole new way. Imagine stepping into your memories, immersing yourself completely in the scene you captured. With compatibility for Huawei VR and other VR headsets, the Huawei 360 camera opens the door to a world of virtual reality. Whether it's a family reunion, a breathtaking landscape, or the thrill of an adventure, the immersive viewing experience transports you right back to that moment, making it feel as real as the day it happened. Share your 360-degree photos and videos with friends and let them step into your shoes. It's not just watching, it's living the experience together. Beyond its powerful capabilities, the Huawei 360 camera is a marvel of compact design. Imagine having a 360-degree capture powerhouse that fits right in the palm of your hand, measuring at just 3.5 cm x 3.5 cm x 2.5 cm and weighing a mere 30 grams. This sleek accessory effortlessly integrates into your mobile photography arsenal. It's a true testament to the marriage of technology and portability. With a size that compact, you might wonder about its attachment. Fear not. The Huawei 360 camera seamlessly attaches to your phone via the USB-C port at the bottom, ensuring a snug fit for your adventures. It's not just a camera, it's a companion that travels with you everywhere, ready to capture life's 360-degree moments at a moment's notice. Discover the seamless connectivity of the Huawei 360 camera a versatile companion for on-the-go photography. Designed to complement various smartphones including Huawei Mate 10 Pro TPU series and Samsung Galaxy series, its USB Type-C connection ensures compatibility beyond specific brands. Say goodbye to tangled wires. The Huawei 360 camera effortlessly integrates into your photography workflow. Now, let's delve into the elegance of simplicity and power in processing. This compact wonder draws power directly from your smartphone, eliminating the need for extra batteries. All processing happens on your device, keeping the camera lightweight. The Huawei 360 camera not only captures but enhances, utilizing your smartphone's capabilities for editing and perfecting your 360-degree masterpieces. Enhance your creative journey with the Camera 360 app, a perfect companion for your Huawei 360 camera. This app is not just a photo editor, it's a gateway to professional and user-friendly editing. With a single tap, unlock a world of possibilities, effortlessly beautifying your photos and smoothing imperfections. The Camera 360 app offers 21 micro adjustments for precise reshaping, highlighting your best features. Experiment with over 300 high-quality filters, from retro to HDR, expanding your creative palette. Unleash the cuter sticker feature with smart face recognition, bringing your expressions to life for interactive visuals. Dive into video selfies with support for 10 to 60 seconds of music, offering flexibility for your creative expression. In the world of mobile photography, the Camera 360 app becomes your ally, enhancing the capabilities of your Huawei 360 camera and unlocking endless possibilities for visual storytelling. And there you have it, the Huawei 360 camera, a compact marvel transcending traditional photography. It's not just a camera, it's a gateway to a new dimension of capturing and sharing experiences. With dual 13MP cameras, versatile shooting modes, and seamless connectivity, the Huawei 360 camera transforms ordinary moments into immersive visual narratives. Weighing just 30 grams, its compact design ensures readiness for your adventures, attaching effortlessly to smartphones via the convenient USB-C port. Experience memories in a whole new way with compatibility with Huawei VR and other VR headsets. Not just capturing but reliving moments in stunning virtual reality. For creative enhancement, the Camera 360 app is your perfect companion, offering endless possibilities from beautifying photos to experimenting with filters. Stay tuned for more tech wonders, and don't forget to explore the Camera 360 app on App Gallery, where creativity knows no bounds. Thank you for joining Tech Wonders HD, and we hope to see you next time.